Learning Space families, welcome back to our channel. I'm Miss Tish, this is Miss Amika, your Learning Space facilitators. And today we are super excited because we are on site at one of our facilities. Can you guess which one we're at? If you can guess and you think you know, make sure you comment below. And the first person who comments right will send you a nice surprise. Well, this month we are talking about trees. Super excited. So let's come on, join us, and you might see another Learning Space family member, ambassador on our trail. Come along. I told you that we would find some Learning Spaces friends on our walk today. Look who we found, it's Miss Lola. So today, it is, Miss Lola is super excited, right? Yeah. So we're just walking and we see some of the leaves are actually falling from the trees. What color are those leaves? Yellow, green, and brown. Judah, do you see the yellow, green, and brown leaves? They're cool, absolutely. We even see some purple leaves. I think this is going to be my favorite leaf today. It's nice, bright, and yellow, and looks like a caterpillar ate it. I'm gonna put it in my pocket for later.
Hey, I'm gonna grab. Which one could I do?
Come on, let's find out. Let's go find your favorite leaf.
I'm gonna find my favorite leaf that is green.
A green leaf? Let's find a green leaf. I see a green leaf. I see lots of green leaves. Is that a green leaf? Did you find one that you like? I found one. Look.
Maybe the ants are eating.
You think the ants are eating that?
Ants! They're eating.
You don't want the green leaf, Judah? I'll pick it up for him. Maybe he'll want it later. No ants, Judah. It's definitely green. Can you see the difference between my leaf and Judah's leaf?
That's mine. That's mine.
That's yours? With pleasure, sir. Is there anything else we can find out here from a tree? What else do you see other than leaves that come from a tree? What's that? Do you know what that's called, Judah? This is called tree bark. It's the outer layering of the tree. Yeah, tree bark. It comes from the trunk. It's the trunk of the tree. Do you know what part of the trunk of the tree looks like? Yeah, I'm not going there. There's the trunk.
I'll get in my pocket. And it's safe and sound.
Your leaf is in your pocket, safe and sound. Good job, friend. Miss Amika found another part of the tree. Do you know what this is called?
A stick.
Or another word for it. A stick or a branch. Good job. We did some great job sounding those out. So yes, Miss Amika found a branch or stick. So today we found leaves, Mine is yellow. Judah, what color is your leaf?
Green.
It's still green.
It's
We found a stick that came from one of the branches. We found tree bark. It's covered in dirt a little bit, but it's okay. And the tree bark came from the trunk of the tree. So we learned a lot today about trees, yes?
That is not all.
That's not all. What else is there?
Do you know some leaves fall from the tree and then they come back down?
No.
What do you call that thing that grows?
Acorns.
When acorns fall from the tree, they just make a big sound.
Those are great. Can you find some acorns? I don't see any acorns where we are. You see one?
Yeah, look,
Can I see it?
look.
What color is it? Let me see.
It's black.
It's a black acorn. Wow. It looks like a squirrel kind of ate this one, huh? He was hungry?
Yeah, he ate that. That's okay.
Let's see. That is wonderful. Are these little acorns? Or
Yeah.
are they large acorns?
They're little.
They're little. Do the little squirrels eat those acorns or the big squirrels?
Baby, squirrels ate these.
What do you
And
think
big
acorn?
Squirrels eat big.
Okay, so little squirrels eat the baby acorns and big squirrels eat the big acorns. What else can we find?
There must be some more here.
I found an orange leaf. So now we have a green, an orange. Thank you so much for joining. You gonna say it with me? Okay, say thank you
Thank you.
for joining us on our walk through this trail. Don't forget, if you know where we are, comment first below and we'll be able to send you a great surprise. Don't forget to also like, share, and subscribe to our channel. We'll see you next time on the trail. Bye.